December 5th, I'm in my office at the seminary going through my books. I'm getting rid of a bunch of books. So I'm going through and I'm listing them all. I'm making a list and I'm gonna sell them, I hope, or give them away to people who are interested. So that is how I am starting off my Friday.
I can't stand it. I love my Christmas tree and it's pretty. I love be my family. So I love it.
The end? Yay! Yay, that was beautiful. You have another song?
Yeah. Daddy, home and it's and time is around turning when I love walks. And as I just one day with your love, day with your life, and it's tiring, you made me miss all. When it's tiring,
Captain America.
look at this.
Hey, we have that.
Yeah, we do.
We play with it?
That's classic.
Classic Captain America? Which one do you like the best?
The regular.
You like classic?
No, the regular.
The new one? Look at this guy.
Can you take him off?
I don't know. It's pretty cool though.
Just kind of our cat, right?
Think she's ours because we feed her?
We named her, we feed her, we take care of her, kind of. She wants us. It's Brownie. Oh.